All right, to take out the plate light assembly, there is a clip on this side and a little latch on this side. So if you could push this forward, try to get it to slide out. You can use a trim tool. Oh, that broke off. This slides out. It's kind of hard if you have a trailer hitch to actually remove it. So if you tried pushing that in, then you should be able to get that to release. This part will break. This is how it looks on the new one. So it slides in the back and it latches on that side. Take the old one, twist out the bulb, the socket assembly. You can take the bulb out, replace the bulb while you're doing this. This is a 194 bulb. Slide it back in position. Take the socket and twist it. And then we're going to slide it on like this. It's going to slide in the back first. And then push on this way, just like that.